So here we go again. The Etsy drama continues. Apologies for the desk appearance here. I was working on another project and it's going horribly wrong. Update on that tomorrow if you guys are interested in that. But Andrew and I just received an email from Etsy basically apologizing for shutting down our shop and giving us $50 as a way to say sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, it's kind of a slap in the face at this point. We've already stood up our own site. We were able to log back in. We do see that we now have some outstanding orders on our Etsy shop that need to be shipped out. I did want to take a second to say thank you to everyone that, previously purchased, received their orders, left us positive reviews. That's hugely helpful. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much again for everybody for all of your support. But what's really frustrating is that we had shipped out over 200 orders up until the point that they had shut down our shop. I was able to look and see. I thought it was under 200. No, it was over 200 orders that we were able to ship out on time without any issue. And then our shop got shut down. And now I have probably 24 plus orders that are now outdated that need to be shipped out. So I'm going to quickly process those and get those shipped out. This is just wildly frustrating on Etsy's side that we contacted them multiple times, got a hold of people, and they in the end said, please stop contacting us. You violated something so horribly wrong that we can't tell you what it is, and we're permanently shutting down your shop. And then today we get a nice, oh, here's a $50 voucher to Etsy. And we're opening your shop back up. Yeah, this is just insane. So moving on forward, we're going to continue selling our resin lapses over on our other site that we've set up since Etsy went down. I'm going to continue to process the orders here that are outstanding on Etsy. It's just so incredibly frustrating that we talked to them twice and they told us that our account had violated something so horrendously bad that they had to shut down our site. And then lo and behold, it's back up and running again. This is just insane. I have no idea what's going on over at Etsy. Just be warned, if you're planning on setting up your own Etsy shop, you might run into some stupidness like this that shuts down your shop, puts your people that had purchased your goods through you in jeopardy, and force them to get refunds directly from Etsy and then charged back to you as well. It's another fun one, thanks Etsy. So I would have much rather just processed all the orders and shut down the site, or learned what was wrong and corrected it. And apparently nothing was wrong. Surprise, surprise. Everything's back up there as it originally was. So much fun. Hey, if you've enjoyed this and want to know more about ResinLapse, find links down below, not over on Etsy, but directly on our site, where you can purchase that and help support Andrew and I in our little project where you can capture resin 3D printing time lapses. And again, I've got a huge mess of a project here on my desk that I'll be sharing more info with you guys in a video tomorrow. It's a big failure of a project, but I'm going to share it with y'all anyways. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Stay away from Etsy. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye now. And I guess I went on a little bit of a rant there. Let me know down in the comments what you would have done if you were in this position where Etsy has abruptly shut down your shop for no reason and then opened it back up again. Would you still do business with these folks, or would you just shut it down permanently? Let me know.